know if you guys can see way up there, but I'm meeting someone here at Goodwill. Oh my gosh, I missed you.
I missed you too. Look at that. I thought you were holding pumpkin for a second.
I thought you were holding pumpkin too.
I know. I thought you were holding pumpkin.
No, she's with Scotty. I'm gonna stay down
It
there.
must have been the camera.
All
It
right,
looked like
we're going in and going shopping. Woo woo. Woo!
For some costumes, maybe?
That's right.
Thank you so much. Me too. We gotta put some of these packages.
Aja let us send some packages to her address so she picks some things up. Hi Olive, she wants to say hi to Pumpkin. Oh, I know, but just wait till we get to the property. Okay. Oh, she's got to say hi. Come on, Moo. Hi, Moo. Oh, hi, Moo Moo. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Oh, hi, Moo. Oh, I missed you so much. Oh, Olive. Pumpkin's so excited. Your friends are here. Yay. Hi, Moo. Hi, baby. Oh, yeah, guys, we've got some stuff to show you. Couple new items. Hi to Moo. Hang on, I'm having fun with Moo. Come here, Pumpkin. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Just so you guys know, we're in the back of a parking lot, so there's no cars coming through. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Olive. Hi. Yeah, hi, sweetheart. Hi. We'll play when we get out to the property.
Hi, Mama. Hi, baby.
Oh, she missed us so much.
Yeah, well,
Go go.
Now. I got.
Hi.
Can't get back here with all the boxes.
I got my kisses from Moo
Hi,
Moo.
babies.
Oh, I missed you, Boo Boo.
Hi, Olive.
Hi, Olive.
But see, you can't get back there now because I'm.
Olive, Mama, go.
Come here. Oh, sweetheart. Oh, I missed you. Yeah. Oh, you need a brushing.
Here's one more package, Scotty.
Oh, another heavy one.
Yeah.
Everything else was like.
I forgot about Moo's white hair.
Yeah, it's a mess.
It's alright. Hi, sweetheart.
Uh-oh. Pumpkin's jealous.
It's alright. You gotta share. Moo was around before you were. Yeah. It's alright.
Say it isn't so. Say it isn't so. Look at those eyes.
She's so sad.
Well, what's funny is though,
I know.
she's been staring out the window. I was kind of sitting here listening to some music.
Right.
I didn't see you guys come out or anything like that.
Wow.
She's been waiting.
All of a sudden, my door opens and I'm like, "What up?" You know.
Alright, let's get going because it's going to take us an hour to get down Aja's road.
Yeah. No, it won't. It'll take you an hour to get there.
It'll take
Yeah,
us an
but I
hour to
still-
get
The
down
road's
your
not
road.
that bad. It's
I
not.
have to
It's
go
not
to
wet.
I have to go towards Williams, get fuel,
Yeah, we're
propane.
right.
Which way do you usually go back?
Usually I go 40, but Jimmy's driving, so I don't
Which
know.
way do you like, Jimmy?
I just go to the mountain.
Right. Yeah. I mean, it's not that bad of a mountain.
He goes through 180, but y'all have to go to 40 because
Yeah.
you have to go to Love's, don't
Yeah.
you? Oh no, you
I don't have to dump anymore.
Oh, that's
we're
right.
All
going
I
out
need
and
is
getting
water,
water out at the
propane,
store.
and
Okay.
honestly, if there's a gas station, I mean, it's 50 miles to that corner, right?
Yeah.
I think I have enough fuel to get there.
Okay.
But what is the fuel price out there? Is it ridiculous or
Not
too
too bad. Well, I don't know about diesel. I don't ever buy diesel.
Well, I don't need that much. As soon as I get there, I'm good. So
You might want to
Aja
top
got
off here.
Aja
and
got a
then
new pet.
what? Oh,
We're
that
gonna
no,
put
that's
it in ours first.
yeah, that's a
We'll take the new pet out to the
that's part of my
property.
costume.
All right, so you guys know we are back in Arizona. went in there and went shopping. We were in there for quite a while, so we need to get back on the road so we can get out to Aja's and get down that road, because it might take us a little bit of time to get down her main road with this rig. We left Michigan like 8 days ago, and we just, we were on a mission.
We
a
did.
mission to get to Arizona. We stopped at a few places along the way. I haven't had time to edit those videos out, so in the future I will post those as videos in the vault or something like that.
It was quick driving a
yeah.
lot. There really wasn't too much to see as soon as we got down so far.
Yeah.
Other than cornfields.
A lot of highway driving.
Yep.
And long days. So, but I do have 2 places that we went that were kind of fun to see, so we will show you those in other videos. So anyways, we're gonna get on the road. We'll see you guys out at Aja's.
And as Aja says, onward bound.
Onward bound.
I want to steal that. Can I do that?
I think you just did.
Dang it. Okay.
All right, you have some water. Come on. Get your llama mama out of the way, and I get you some water. All right, see you guys. Did we say that Aja lived on a really long dirt road? With lots
We're
of
not going to tell you where, because you don't want to come out here.
Oh my gosh. I don't even think this is the turn. I think we got one more big long parcel to go.
I bet we're getting good gas mileage.
You so funny, mister. We're stopping and letting other rigs go in front of us because we're creeping along. We're stopping. Somebody threw that out. Somebody would run that over. I'll just put it in your box there. All right, back on the road. I don't know if that could damage somebody's wheel or not, but it wouldn't be fun to hit it. All right, I see people's. We're close.
There's the marker, yeah.
Oh yeah, there's Ed's marker.
Yeah, we're going inside.
Hey.
Hi, I think they want you to go on the next.
Okay. Okay, we were trying to get a hold of Aja. Thanks, Jimmy.
Yeah.
So
You're gonna come.
Oh, I see the 2 posts now.
Higher camp.
take this turn.
I got it.
No?
Yeah, I got
I
it.
don't know. Hang on. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think. Scotty, I don't know. Okay, Jim, I'm gonna let you go. You can try to come, but you're gonna run right over her rock.
What's in front of me? Am I gonna hit the big log? If I just, I'm gonna start turning now. Okay. Okay. Looking better? Gonna miss the log? Okay.
Jeff came to greet us.
Hello, my wise friend.
Hi, Jeff.
Turn you had to make.
I'm good.
Around and you pull right straight into your spot.
Okay.
I don't even know where my spot's at.
Well, you'll just follow it. It's just past Panda.
Hi, baby.
So we go up and back a Panda.
On the back way, just past Panda, just past Aja, and you'll see the mode area.
Okay.
You guys
Thanks,
take
Jeff.
care of me.
It's good to see you. Oh, it's Dory. Oh.
Dabba dabba do! Ah!
Oh, we made it. Oh, all of our family, our friends.
I've been on the dirt road for 7 hours, I think.
Oh my gosh.
Longer than that, you
Hi,
just
Dory.
left Michigan yesterday.
I know.
We did.
Yay!
Look at Moo. Moo's always. Hi, Moo. Hi, Moo.
My kid.
Moo acts like she hasn't already seen us.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Pumpkin.
Hi, Dory. See you. Hi.
Oh, you look great. Good to see you.
How are you guys? Hi, Amir. You act like you haven't already seen me. Hi. Hi. Hey, Mike.
Hey, baby.
Hi.
How are you? Oh, it's so good to see you.
Man.
You been good?
To see all you guys. Yeah. We've had a blast. What is that? Oh, no.
That's the butter pecan moonshine.
What is it?
Butter pecan moonshine.
Oh, Lordy. I gotta eat dinner first. Oh, there's Jen. Oh, I love you. I miss you guys all so much. Oh, my girl. Hi. Hi. Hi, buddy.
How are you?
Oh my gosh, I missed you guys so much. Ah, so fun. Oh, okay. Nana, oh, you know what? She's a little too skittish right now.
Yeah.
You'll be in Nana's lap before she knows it. Come here. It's all right. Oh, gosh. Good to be home.
You didn't have any fun though.
It's a Nana. She was good with me. Be careful though. She was good. She's so nervous.
Yeah, and then she flipped a little.
Yeah. So Nana is like Punky's fave, but she's a little skittish right now.
I'm just talking to
I know. For a long time. I told her all the way back to Michigan. I said, Nana will be there, Nana. Nana and Auntie Aja will be there. She'll be in your lap before you know it. Oh my gosh. Holy moly, I didn't know the whole family was here. I gotta eat dinner, man. I'm
What
like,
family?
Don't fall, Pumpkin, don't fall. Don't fall, Pumpkin.
Tastes like coffee to me. Hold on.
Good, we're doing good. That's cute.
Everybody's here.
Well, we tried to travel together, but you know.
And then I thought you guys were here already, and I'm thinking, how did they get in?
Oh, no,
Because I was like,
That just took us an hour to get down that road.
I did 2 hours.
Oh my
I
gosh,
was
yeah.
like-
and we took the wrong road.
Yeah, you did.
Scotty thought that, he said, well, this is the road I've been on
It's
with
probably, that's best because you have a big vehicle, so that other road is narrow to get into.
You didn't
Oh,
take,
that was a bad road.
Did you take
Yeah, it was a
No,
bad road.
that
They
is
take
not a
Lowell?
fifth wheel road.
No, this one is better. Yeah,
We went
they went
this
to
way.
Dump City.
So the back end of our truck, our bed, came that close from the bedroom of our house. Yeah, it's
Oh,
not,
you came down that dip?
we came straight across.
Yeah.
So it's just all washed out.
Yeah, I came down that.
It's
Oh my
horrible.
gosh, it was
That's when I
crazy.
did that.
Maybe there is.
She didn't drink very much on the way out here. So she's got to have her bowl. Oh, everything's a
can you
mess.
It's so dark.
I know. We got to get new lighting. There you go, Punk.
It's just a
There you
dark
go.
inside here.
Okay, I got groceries to put away.
You gotta
It's a
get
mess in here.
set up.
Yeah, we do.
We'll get it all done tomorrow.
Yeah,
Tonight.
we need to get
Welcome
new
home partying time.
blinders. I gotta have something to eat before I do that. Huh? Auntie's gotta have something to eat. I had a banana today, huh, Moo?
I'll figure it out.
Huh? I'm gonna have taco salad. Do you want taco salad?
Maybe a little.
Okay.
Okay. I love your taco.
Who doesn't?
It's not meat though.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
Let me
All
make
right.
sure Jeff's not hungry because he
Okay.
might want to eat.
All right. Oh, we made it. High five, baby. Thank you for
Woo.
getting me here safe. and
Oh, thank the
Pumpkin.
Lord for doing that.
Yeah. Okay. So it's just a mess. We've been on the go all day long, guys, trying to get out here. Pumpkin's gonna have her dinner. I'm gonna make taco salad. We got 2 new items. We got a power bank and we got a solar, and we'll show you guys those in another video. Super excited about that power station. So the one thing we do need to do in our house, and we just haven't done it, we need to get better lighting. We switched the old lighting out, and this lighting just kind of sucks.
Oh, to the LEDs? Yeah.
Yeah, Yeah, we need to get brighter lights. Anyways, thank you guys. Thanks for following us today. And welcome to Arizona. I know some people are not really excited that we're here in Arizona, but this is where our nomad family is, and this is where we're going to be for just a little bit.
It's good to be around family.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
We're going to have a little bit of fun with them. I don't know where our next journey is going to be after Arizona, so who knows?
Well, I can tell you one thing, at $5.29 a gallon for diesel, it ain't going too far.
It's not going to be around
Going to
here.
Havasu, though.
Yeah, we will be going to Havasu, and we'll be going to Phoenix to visit family. And other than that, we're not really sure, so you got to stay tuned so you can see where we end up on our new journey.
It might be Mississippi. Can you spell that? what? I'm too tired.
I wish we were heading back that way. And just all the way back around that loop. It was so fun. We just had such a blast on that trip. So, all right. Good night. Mwah. Love ya.
Hasta luego, everybody. And thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. And remember, leave a comment because I will respond.
At least you're trying to respond. It's hard when we're traveling like this, though, today. You're working
Very
on it.
true. Very true.
He is working on it. Every little stop, he puts a few comments out. So he's working on it.
Later,
Bye.
peeps.